I need not say much. He's rightly brought out what is to be done to be in the armed forces and what it takes to be. He understood in the very first attempt. That is why he was recommended. I took some time, and I was recommended in my second and third attempt. First attempt, I knew I was close, and when I went back home, and I was rejected for firstly 2 days. What went wrong? But third day I had to get back because this is where I wanted to be. 7.5 years back, when I'm from army school, so it is very general for us that we all want to appear for NDA. So motivation is there, but that enthusiasm to prepare, what makes different is if you're on ground and have seen what happens in the academy. So I had seen his passing out in IMS 7.5 years back. I had seen him cross that famous ante pag, you say that everyone wants to see, wants to feel. So that time I was on the other side. I saw him pass out, and that just motivated me further to do well. And that became a real force multiplier for me to, even if at times I had seen failure when I was in my college, but that didn't stop me from preparing because I knew I had it in me. I just needed to work hard and be patient. That's what I'll also say, that you have to be patient as well. It will not happen instantly. It is not the case with everyone, I feel. It happened with me. I was patient. I prepared accordingly. There were times when I failed. I was rejected, but I didn't stop preparing. I kept on going. I was like, I'll keep doing my hard work. मैं hard work करता रहूँगा, but मैं रुकूंगा नहीं जब तक मेरा होता नहीं है. So that is the mindset, that is the attitude you need to develop. Failure तो academy में भी आता है, but you have to keep on going. You don't have an option, and that is what makes the difference. कि जिसका selection होता है, जिसका नहीं होता. मेरे कुछ कोर्समेट्स हैं जो 18वें या 20वें अटेम्प्ट के बाद एकेडमी में आए, बट उनका देखना चाहिए जज्बा कि वो उसी मेहनत से कर रहे हैं. उनका ये नहीं था कि बस आ गए अब. तो ये एटीट्यूड लाना जरूरी है कि अगर करना है तो करना है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जब वो 18वें और 20वें अटेम्प्ट में आ सकते हैं, तो आप तो बहुत यंग और आपको तो इतनी सही गाइडेंस मिल रही है सर से, तो आप भी आराम से कर सकते हो. जस्ट राइट एटीट्यूड, राइट अप्रोच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड वो अगर आप फॉलो करोगे, जुडिशियसली अपना पढ़ोगे, अपना जो डिमांडेड आर्मी या कोई भी आपकी रेस्पेक्टिव चॉइस ऑफ आर्म जो आपको डिमांड करती है, अगर आप उस अकॉर्डिंग से प्रिपेयर करोगे तो सक्सेस मिलेगा ही मिलेगा आपको. नॉट इमीडिएटली, बट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट सक्सेस. तो आप में से कुछ होंगे जो 1-2 बार SSB फेस कर चुके होंगे, रिजेक्ट हुए होंगे. इट इज नेवर रिजेक्टेड इन SSB, इट इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. नॉट रिकमेंडेड राइट नाउ. रिजेक्ट कोई नहीं होता है, वो तो आप लोगों की मेंटालिटी होती है कि आपको रिजेक्ट किया. आपको रिजेक्ट नहीं, रिकमेंड नहीं किया है. आप मेहनत करके जाओ, आपको भी रिकमेंड करेंगे. तो मैं ये बोलूँगा, आप प्रिपरेशन में कभी अपनी कमी मत रखना. इट इज़ योर सक्सेस, इट इज़ योर हार्ड वर्क, इट इज़ इन योर ओन हैंड. यू कैन नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन एनीवन एल्स. अरुण सर भी आपको गाइड कर रहे हैं और वो भी आपको यही बताते होंगे कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आप ही ने फेस करना है SSB को, मैंने नहीं करना. तो उनसे सही बातें आप सीखोगे तो वो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगी. ही वुड पर्सनली चेक माइन एंड माई ब्रदर्स डोजियर, माई PIQ फॉर्म, कि मैंने क्या लिखा है, इससे मैं कैसे बेटर लिख सकता हूँ, या इफ देयर इज एनी वर्ड और स्टोरी जो मुझे अफेक्ट कर रही है कि इसका कैसे, हाउ शुड आई गो अबाउट. सो ही वुड he would take us through in such a manner. He would not give me just stories and कि just for story लिख के नहीं. He would talk us through. His way of teaching is very different from what I don't other people are teaching. He will not just give you assignments. He'll talk you through, and subconsciously you start learning, you start understanding things, and you have a better understanding once you start practicing. So you will be able to remember his words, his guidance, and that is what makes the difference in my opinion, I feel. So when I was recommended for the first time and I had my next SSB, I still went back to him just to get more guidance because I still felt that maybe I could have done better. So I discussed what happened in my psychology test. So there is never a opportunity that you should pass away if there is an opportunity to learning. Learning has no age, in my opinion. Even after today I am here, I still look up to my father, my brother. even though I have become an officer. But their experience, their guidance is now needed more than ever, because they're on the ground zero, as we say. So learn, respect is also very equally important. So what sir is teaching you is in the right direction. You just need to follow it and apply it in your tests and as well as real life. If you start applying these things in your real life, automatically your attitude will change and you will do well. That is all I wanted to say. All the best.